Today, we are going to cover two very affordable microphone options that are common on YouTube. If you are starting out a YouTube channel just like me, you will know that audio is really as important as the visual element. Often, viewers will be put off if your audio is really unpleasant. I'll be recommending you two commonly used mics, one for sit-down scenarios and one for walkabout. Starting first is the Video Mic Go. It is a walk-around shotgun mic that has a straight pickup pattern. It is phantom powered, which basically means that the power comes from your camera and you will need to bring extra sets of batteries with you. It has a dead cat on it, which is known as a wind muff, to cancel out wind noises. Here are some examples on how the mic sounds with and without the wind muffs. Hi guys, so this is the audio with the wind muff on. And this is the audio with the wind muff off. And this is with the wind muff back on. You can tell the Rode Video Mic Go is not seen in the video, giving you flexibility and freedom to walk around it without hassle. The mic itself costs about 100 USD and the cat at about 40 USD. If you are shooting mostly outdoors, do consider getting the dead cat as it can cancel out wind noises. Second is the BOYA lavalier mic, also known as a lapel mic. It's a clip-on mic that has a much closer proximity to the subject than the Rode Video Mic. This mic is mostly seen during interviews as it is small and easy to hide and has much cleaner audio, isolating only the sound coming out from the subject. I do not think you will need examples of me walking around with this, as majority of my videos are using the BOYA mic. The wire is also extremely long and will be a hassle to walk around unless I have a wireless transmitter in my pocket, which I don't currently own. The BOYA lavalier mic costs at only around 30 USD, which is extremely cheap. Overall, I would strongly suggest that you get the BOYA lavalier mic if budget is an issue for you, and unless you are doing vlogs. Either ways, do remember to plug in any mics tightly into your camera and check for audio sounds before you start recording on your video. A lot of YouTubers, including myself, makes this simple mistake. I hope you enjoyed this short recommendation on the microphone options. Do let me know down in the comments below your thoughts and the kind of microphones that you are currently using. Have a great week, and I'll see you in the next video.